हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक। आज हम देखेंगे कि एसएससी जीडी के 2015 के क्वेश्चन पेपर में इंग्लिश के जो क्वेश्चंस थे उसका हम आज एनालिसिस करेंगे। अगर आप कुछ और टॉपिक चाहते हैं तो प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए कि आप कौन सा टॉपिक डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं, उसी तरह से एक अगला वीडियो आएगा। सो द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट इज अबाउट वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन। पुट साइड बाय साइड। Okay, when we put side by side, the options are purpose, depose, juxtapose, and last impose. So if we look at, the correct answer is juxtapose, putting side by side. Next, chief or commander of army. Options are lieutenant, major, colonel, and general. Okay, so the correct answer is a chief commander means one who is at the top. Okay, chief of army is called as a general. So option D is a correct answer. We have to remember the spelling of these words as well. Okay, lieutenant. Okay, Lieutenant. And we have colonel, Colonel. Okay, next one who cannot be corrected. ओके, वन हु कैनॉट बी करेक्टेड, जिसको हम करेक्ट नहीं कर सकते बोले तो वो करेक्ट है। इंडिफटिगेबल। इंडिफटिगेबल मीन्स वन हु नेवर गेट टायर्ड, जो थकता नहीं। ओके, ये तो ऑप्शन बराबर नहीं। इनएलिजिबल, नो। इंडिजेंट, नो। इनकॉरिजिबल इज द करेक्ट आंसर दैट वी हैव। ओके, इनकॉरिजिबल। Question 4. Best, which of the following best expresses the meaning of the given word? Okay, so we have to identify similar word. Okay, almost synonym to these words. Honor. Okay, so if you look at all the options, the correct we have options such as respect, determination, courage, discipline. So the correct answer is respect. Okay, honor and respect are similar word. Next, rectify. Okay, rectify means we have options regularize, correct, okay, condone and clarify. Rectify means to correct. Okay, so it has a similar meaning. Okay, felicitated. Okay, felicitate means to congratulate. Okay, we have options admired, adored, congratulated and encouraged. Okay, admiration is prashansa, what we say in Hindi or Marathi. Okay, adore means liking or love for something, but felicitate is congratulation. Okay, felicitating someone is congratulating. We say the chief guest will be felicitated by XYZ. Okay, I request you to felicitate, etc. Next, now we have improve the sentence. Okay, we have to improve the sentence and correct the error. Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Okay, this is what we call interference or impact of mother tongue, that we translate as it is from our mother tongue. Okay, so the correct answer is where do you come from? Okay, where do you come from, not where are you coming. Okay, aap kahan se aate hain, no. So the correct answer we have is where do you come from. Next one. Years ago I met a man which was president and chairman of board of company. Okay, we have to improve from the point of view of this word. Whose, who, whom, no improvement. Okay, if we look at, we do not use which to represent animate thing. Okay, we do not use which. Okay, we can use which for inanimate. Okay, जो सजीव है उसके लिए हम who का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Okay, who, we do not use which. which is used for I brought TV which was sold by. Okay, when I am talking about television I can use which, but when I am referring to animate. Okay, जो कुछ भी what animate means, animal, person, etc. Those who are alive. I should use who. Years ago, I met a man who was president, not which. Which and that we do not use for animate. Okay, for inanimate you can use which. Next one. Covering 30 kilometers in 30 minutes are not a great distance. Are not a great distance. Okay, we have answer as well. Is not a great distance. Okay, it is a measurement. Okay, at the same time, it is not a plural. It is not a great distance, not are not a great distance. Next one. I have taken fancy. Now we have question about idiom and phrase. Means we have to identify a similar meaning or meaning of an idiom and phrase. हमें इसका meaning identify करना है. अभी देखते हैं first कौन सी idiom आती है. I have taken fancy to this car. Taken fancy to. Improved, given imagination, developed liking for and revise. ये चार ऑप्शन है, लेकिन अगर इसका मीनिंग देखें टेकन फैंसी फॉर मीन्स developed liking for. Okay, I have taken fancy to XYZ. I have taken fancy is actually used for some time when we develop liking. Okay, for something. I have taken fancy to this car means I have developed liking for this car. I have taken fancy to this girl. Okay, so we use taken fancy to for developed liking. Okay, so the correct answer is C. So question 11, we have question about a phrase carry out. Okay, carry out means we have four options to take in, bring, complete something, continue. Carry out means to complete something. Okay, carry out. Okay, carry out this work. Carry out that means to complete. Complete करना. इसे हम carry out use करते हैं. Next, he beat around the bush. Beat around the bush. Options that we have does not talk specifically means to the point. Talk continuously. Okay. Speak well. Talks sensibly. Okay, we have four options. When we are referring beat around the bush, when someone talks irrelevantly without specific point. Okay, when someone does not talk specifically. Okay, when someone talks irrelevant, we say don't beat around the bush. Come to the point. Okay, so when someone is talking irrelevant and avoiding the main point, okay, we say don't beat around the bush. Okay, here we have he beat around the bush means he do not talk specifically to the point. So first option is correct answer. The publisher is bringing dash a revised edition of this book. A publisher is bringing dash revised edition of this book. So we have to fill in the blank with appropriate word. Question third. So if we look at meaning of each and everything, bring up means Lana. Okay, bring up. We have phrase. Okay, bring up, phrasal verb. Bring about means पूरा करना. Bring out निकालना. ये भी ऑप्शन बराबर नहीं है. लाना, पूरा करना, निकालना. A publisher is bringing dash. What should be? Bring around. Sorry, bring out. Bring out is correct answer that we have. Bring out, निकालना. Publisher is bringing out and publisher निकालने वाला है new revised edition. Okay, so bring around last option that we have. Bring around means मना लेना. मना लेना. So correct answer we have is bring out. Bring out. Okay, the publisher is bringing out a revised edition of this book. Means निकालने वाले. 14. Your dash nature will aid you in attaining success in every venture you undertake. Your dash nature, which kind of catalytic? Okay, lactases, rotund, and preserving. Okay, preserving. इसका मतलब है दृढ़. Okay, I'm not sure about the exact writing in Hindi, but similar word that we have. So answer is preserving. Dhrud, strong. Similar words are, we have steadfast. At the same time we have tenacious. Then we have resolute, resolute. L-U-T-E. Okay, resolute and preserving. These are the dhrud. Your preserving nature will aid you in attaining success in every venture you undertake. Okay, so the sentence is about a strong nature. Okay, steadfast or tenacious. She had to dash illness in order to avoid going to the party. पार्टी के जाने के लिए उसे dash illness. What the options are? Faint. Okay, faint, feign, and fine. So the correct answer that we have is feign. Feign. Feign means what we say, to act like. Okay. Act करना. Okay, feign. So we have feigning madness. Okay, she had to feign madness means उसे act करना पड़ा. Okay, next, this is our house and that is, what should be the answer? This is our house and that is, we have their, them, theirs, and theirs. So we never use this option. There is no. So this is the correct answer. We never use apostrophe here. Okay. Ours. We say theirs, not theirs. Okay. There should not be any apostrophe when we say show possession of someone's. Okay. Theirs. So the correct answer is C. 17. We have to identify opposite meaning. Means antonym. Those words and their antonym. Antonym, remember that. We get confused with what the question is about. Harmonious. Okay, harmonious means there should be unity. Okay, there should be what we say, what we say, union. Okay, compactness. That is called as a harmonious. So options that we have is discordant. Okay, balanced. C, sonorous, and concordant. Harmony, here unity. Discordant is completely opposite of harmony. Okay, discordant means a difference. Okay, complex means opposite of harmonious. Next, superficial. Okay, superficial means what we say, we can say a duplicate. Okay, almost similar word that we have. So the correct answer we will find out. Natural, no. Original, no, we cannot say natural. Superficial means almost duplicate, means superficial. Artificial, it is also similar. Genuine, yes, this is the correctly opposite of superficial. Next one, fragile. फ्रेजाइल. हम अगर बॉक्स देखते हैं जिसमें टीवी रखा होता है, जो कुछ भी उसमें नाजुक सामान रखे होते हैं, फ्रेजाइल, हैंडल विथ केयर. वहां पे आप कौन सा भी बॉक्स देखें जिसमें जो कुछ चीजें नाजुक है उस पे लिखा रहता है fragile. So we have to identify opposite of that way. Fragile, that can be broken easily. Okay. And delicate, opposite of delicate we have to identify. Disard, strong, weak, brittle, we have correctly opposite strong. Fragile, opposite strong. Okay, last few questions we have to identify which word is correctly spelled. Okay, juvenile, identify correct spelling. Juvine. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. Juvin. Okay, here is what we have. Okay, this is also wrong. So the correct spelling is Juvenile. Juvenile. Cold is most of the time we hear about. Okay, juvenile, cold. So the correct spelling is Juvenile. Okay, we can correct our spelling by writing repeatedly, continuous. अगर हम बार बार उसी स्पेलिंग को याद करते लिखते तो वो कंसोलिडेट हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट वी हैव, knowledgeable. Knowledgeable. Okay, knowledgeable. No, this is also wrong. No. Okay, Know is missing here. This is also wrong. Knowleded. No. Jeeble. No. Knowledgeable. This is the correct answer that we have. Knowledgeable. Last question of correctly spelled. Okay, deteriorate. Okay, means खराब हो जाना. Deteriorate. Due to COVID, his health was deteriorated or deteriorate. COVID deteriorate everybody's health. Okay, जीर्ण और उसको खराब कर देना. So we'll identify the correct spelling of this question that we have. So deteriorate. No, there is no double R. Even there is no double R at the first. Even this one is deteriorate. No, this is also wrong. So we have this one is the correct. Deteriorate. Okay, deteriorate. Okay, it is R because actually. Okay, that's enough. Next one, error. We have to find out error. Last three questions that we have. हमें identify करना है error. Kitchen need painting badly. Kitchen need painting badly. Okay, so we have to identify the error of which section contains an error. Okay, very interesting question. Kitchen need painting badly. Where the error is, need painting badly. Okay, I must get it done. No, there is no problem, it is correct. Or we can say, and I must get it done. Okay, it is correct expression, I must get it done. The kitchen, we use article before noun. The kitchen is correct. No error. No, there is error, there is something in this. The kitchen needs to be painted. Okay, kitchen need painting badly. So we are talking about need painting. So either this is a noun, painting, or okay, needs to be painted badly, or kitchen needs a new paint badly. So this is correct identification of error. This is what we have. So the answer is A. Next question. I will play my best. If I will play my best, I can win at any day against anybody. We can identify if. So we have conditional. If I will play my best, I can win any day against anybody. Okay. So the error we have to identify. If I will play my best, I can win any day. I can win any day against anybody. Okay. So if I will play my best, okay, if I play my best, so there is no need. If I play my best, I can win. Okay. If I will play, there is no need of writing will. So the last question that we have, he finds fault at everything I do. At everything. No need of going anywhere. We have to just, when we read a sentence, he finds fault at everything. He finds fault at whatever I do. Okay. At everything. No. He finds fault everything I do or whatever I do. So the error is in option D. So that's all. आपको जो कुछ भी टॉपिक आगे डिस्कशन के लिए चाहिए आप मुझे बोल सकते हैं, मैं उसी पे वीडियो बना सकता हूँ. ओके. और इसमें भी कोई एरर होगा तो वो भी मुझे बताइए, उसमें भी मैं इंप्रूवमेंट ला सकता हूँ. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड बी ट्यून्ड.